Swash Foot Cap offers a thorough, effective and hassle-free foot bath. A package contains 2 foot caps impregnated with lotion, specifically designed to care for the feet. Let's see how to use Swash. Tell the care recipient what you are going to do and keep communicating throughout the entire procedure. If possible, put the care recipient in a comfortable sitting or lying position. Optionally, place the towel between the feet and the surface on which the feet will rest to avoid getting the surface wet. Put on a pair of disposable gloves or follow the hygiene protocol of your institution. If preferred, heat the Swash Foot Cap. The recommended temperature is achieved by heating the package at a maximum of 800 watts in a microwave for 30 seconds. Open the package, take the 2 foot caps out of the packaging, and check the temperature of the foot caps. Disposable gloves reduce your sensitivity to heat. The foot cap can be applied while the patient is in bed or seated in a chair. After soaking the feet, gently massage each foot through the foot cap. The feet with the foot caps on can be covered with a towel to avoid the product cooling down too quickly. Leave the product on the feet for a minimum of 2 minutes and a maximum of 15 minutes. The time depends on the required soaking duration and the condition of the skin. Throw the empty package and the foot caps in the bin. Dry the feet and make sure the space between the toes is dry. Inspect the feet and report any comments if necessary. Swash is safe to use on all types of skin. Before use, verify if the care recipient is sensitive or allergic to one or more of the ingredients. Don't use on non-intact skin and/or open wounds. Attention! Take feelings, comfort, and privacy of the patient into consideration. Each package is for individual use only. Only suitable for external use. Swash Foot Cap can be used cold or warm. Check the heating instructions on the package. Do not use if it is too hot. Disposable gloves reduce the sensitivity to heat. Do not walk with the foot cap on. Do not reheat. Do not use if package is damaged. Do not use on children. Keep out of reach for children. Do not flush the foot caps down the toilet. Throw the empty Swash package and the cap in the bin.